All right, we're going to try to make it out to the outhouse. Normally this is no problem, but well, I'll just have to show you. There you go, that's cool. Whew. Get around this way. Wind's got a little bite to it. We're just supposed to get a little dusting. And I've got a 1/4 inch in my whiskers already. I ain't been out here 30 seconds. Well, it's flat getting it. Well, we better get in here a minute. Whew. Let me find the light switch. There we go. Now, you know that's going to be warm. Oh. Get back over here where you can look out the outside. That gum is cool. Wish I had a little heater in here. That seat's a little cool when you first say, oh, that seat's cold. Whew. First 5 seconds is rough. After that, she warms up pretty good. Well, looking outside, it ain't. What's bad is when it's false alarm and you did all this for nothing. All right. Let's come back over here and turn the switch off. There you go. It was 45, cloudy this evening, or this morning. Then we went to this. Oh, dang, that wind's got a bite. Whew. Go around this way. Ain't near as windy over here. Wood piles are going down. All right, we made it. Woo. Just a life on the farm. Get the door shut here. All right, till next time.